Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session and calls number 329142. Case is filed with State of Texas versus Rachel Marie Primo. Let the record reflect that Ms. Primo is present in court with her attorney, Mr. Wright Kimler. Let the record also reflect that Mr. Tommy Coleman, who is Assistant District Attorney for Jefferson County, is also present. The jury is not present in the courtroom. I have received a message from the jury that it has reached a verdict. Will the bailiff please bring the jury into the courtroom? Let the record reflect that the attorney for the state, the attorney for the defendant, and all members of the jury are now present and seated in the courtroom. Foreperson, have you reached a verdict in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the verdict unanimous? That is one that is agreed upon by all the jurors?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bailiff, would you please hand me the verdict? And Ms. Primo, would you please stand? The verdict is, we the jury find the defendant Rachel Marie Primo not guilty. Does anyone like to have the jury polled?
No, Your Honor.
No, state, okay. Ms. Primo, you found not guilty. You've been acquitted in this case. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'd like to thank you for your time and attention to this matter. We do know that under the circumstances that we're in with COVID, monkeypox, and all the other things that we have in our society, you took time out from your busy schedule to be here today. Also, like to thank our alternate juror, Ms. Sharon Luggins Hughes. Thank you for participating in this matter as well. And thank you for being willing and ready to serve in the event that one of the jurors was not able to complete their service. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, on behalf of the citizens of Jefferson County, behalf of the staff here in County Court at Law number 2, again, we'd like to thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, under our circumstances, normally I would come down and shake your hand. But because of the circumstances that we had with COVID, monkeypox, I'll give everyone an air handshake. And again, I'd like to thank you for taking time out from your schedules. Now, your jury services has ended. If you desire, you can talk to the lawyers. If you do not want to talk to the lawyers, you don't have to talk to the lawyers. Now, if you need an excuse, they probably closed. We should be able to get some information on how you can get that from the district clerk's office. So at this time, you can return your badges to our bailiff. And again, anytime that you're in the area, anytime you're in the area of the Jefferson County Courthouse, County Court at Law number 2, please stop by. Some of you have already tasted the coffee, so we have some pretty good coffee here. You can stop by and just chat and sit in the courtroom and just see what goes on in your county. At this time, you are excused. Now, if anyone have any questions, feel free to ask.
All right.